Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you in need of a great foot massage? Let me introduce you to my new best friend. This is from Cloud Massage. It is a Shiatsu foot massager. I was so excited to receive this, but I did not know how excited I need to be. I am completely in love with this foot massager. It has gone way beyond my expectations, and I'm going to show you some things I really appreciate about it.
It's so easy to use. You just plug it in and you're good to go. It has an adjustable bar that you can move around depending on your needs, and you're even able to get a calf massage as well. I just appreciate how many options there are. You're able to have heat or no heat. You're able to choose your intensity depending on your needs, and it just provides a complete massage. And my favorite thing is that it has this air compression feature where it kind of compresses your feet and even sways left to right. It feels like it's swaying with that air compression, which really helps to loosen tight muscles. I love this so much. Feels amazing on my calves after a long day as well. It is my new favorite thing to use this massager at the end of the day. But whether or not you need heat, whether or not you need a little massage, if you need to target your heels or the bottoms of your feet or your calves, or maybe you need that loosening of muscles, this is such an incredible tool and you're really able to customize it. And it's not too loud at all. I'm going to play you a clip of what it sounds like when it's running.
So if you are looking for a way to help wind down at the end of the day, to relax, to loosen up tight muscles, and to support your feet, I highly recommend this foot massager by Cloud Massage. I think that it is going to be your best friend too, but that's just my point of view.